This is a coffee maker from Murphy Richards, of which I'm making a video today. Hi, I'm Sujata here from Sujan Fun Kitchen. So this is my new coffee maker. This is by Murphy Richards and I've been using it for almost a year. Actually, I was waiting to see its usage and utility and then do a demo. So let's go on to the demo of this espresso machine. Fantastic espresso machine of Murphy Richards. So this is the holder into which we would be adding the coffee powder, the filter coffee powder, not the instant, the filter coffee powder. So this is the holder or the coffee holder or the coffee mesh. Watch this as I fill this with coffee powder. So this is my Chikmagalur coffee powder. It is Robusta, Peaberry and Plantation A. It's a special coffee powder right from the hills of Chikmagalur. Three, 4 and 5. So it holds only 5 teaspoons. So maybe a little more. So just fill it. Yeah. And then just level it. Pressing it lightly, just level it. And then all that we have to do is fix it to the machine. You can see it. Yes. And then this is ready. So now this is the cute glass bowl that they have given with this espresso machine. So let's measure water into this. Yes, till half of this. Okay, so that the decoction, coffee decoction is thick. So let's fill it with water. Fill half of it with water. So can you see? So measure this and then open this. So let's open this. Yeah. And then pour this water into this. Yes, and close it. Close it tightly. Yeah. And then now let's switch it on. Need to place this back for the decoction, to collect the decoction. Yes. So can you see this? Now let me switch this on. Can you see the red light? Yes. So you just have to wait for the decoction, coffee decoction to filter into this cute glass. It just takes some 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, we can boil the milk. So now can you see? Yes, see it's getting filtered. It's not even 2 minutes yet. See? And the lovely decoction, coffee decoction is getting collected into this beautiful coffee mug. I'll give you a closer look of the decoction getting collected in the glass mug. Wow, can you see the Murphy Richards espresso machine collecting its decoction? Wow, just see the frothy thick decoction. So milk is almost ready to go into tumblers. Tumblers are ready here. And the decoction is ready. So let's now stop this. Now let's take this out. Wow, keep it closer to the tumbler and dabara. Yes, the milk is ready. So now the beautiful, flavorful decoction is ready. Espresso, Coffee Richards machine decoction, coffee decoction is ready. Yes. So now it's time for our evening coffee. Not evening, yeah. It's now almost 4 o'clock, so we can say it's evening. And this is my coffee. So taste Paklama. This was my take on Murphy Richards coffee maker. I love it. Definitely you can go in for this espresso coffee maker. So subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, do share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And as always, have fun cooking. This time have fun coffee making, and thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.